Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. First off, I want to say welcome to my channel and make sure you hit the subscribe and also the bell notification so you know when I release a new video. And starting in January of 2020, I'm going to start doing live streams during the stock market. This is where you can kind of look over my shoulder and see what trades I'm taking. You can also ask me questions, and I'm also going to analyze stocks for my viewers, right? So if you want me to look at stocks and do some type of analyzing for them, I will definitely do that. I'm also going to do options and analyze options. So if you guys kind of want to know, hey, what's a good option or expensive and things like that, I'll actually be able to do that in real time with you guys. So make sure you join me for my streams. Make sure you click on that notification for when I do go live, and also when I release new videos of all types of education, everything from market profile to how to read charts to how Thinkorswim works, and just kind of psychology or how to basically trade every single day. I've been doing this for 17 years. I've worked for an online brokerage firm for about 6 years. I worked for an education company for a couple of years, all teaching, and I've been mentoring. This is me. This channel is, the purpose of it is for me to give back to the community, give back to new traders, as so many people throughout my journey of trading have given to me. So I want to pass that forward to everybody else. I'm not trying to sell you anything. All I hope is you'll come join me for my live streams and hopefully build a cool little community where we get kind of a big group and we're all able to kind of make money and do that while day trading, doing what we love to do, where our true passion is. Also, just a quick disclaimer, everything that I talk about is for educational purposes only. Okay, none of them are true trade recommendations. They're either things that I'm personally trading or just analysis. So just want to get that disclaimer out there. But again, I hope you guys will join me. Remember, we start in January of 2020 with the live streams. So turn on the bell notification and we'll see you in the live stream. Thank you.